Hello friends, democlisrocha here. Today we practice division. Here we have 2592. This is the dividend, the value we will divide in equal parts. How many parts, you ask? In 24 equal parts. 24 is the divisor. We start by taking a look at this first digit here. Since 2 is less than 24, we do not start yet, we group it with the next digit. Since 25 goes over 24, we can start now. And we start by asking a question. What is the number from 0 to 9 that we multiply by 24 to get 25 or almost 25, but not more? Okay, by looking at the multiplication table, you will be able to tell me easily that the number we were looking for is 1, because 1 times 24 is 24. Okay, this is pretty close to 25, but it doesn't go over 25. So the number we wanted here was 1. Okay, then I do this subtraction, which is a pretty simple one. You will tell me, what is 25 minus 24? It's 1. After a subtraction, we always bring down the next digit. Now we have here 19. After we bring down a digit, we ask the question, what's the number from 0 to 9 that we multiply by 24 to get 19 or almost 19, but not more than 19? Okay, be careful about that. 1 times 24 is 24. That is more than 19, so 1 is not the number. Actually, we need the number 0 this time, so I write 0 here. What is 0 times 24? 0. I write it here, and then we do a subtraction. What is 19 minus 0? It's still 19. After a subtraction, we always bring down the next digit. In this case, it's 2. So now we have here 192, and we ask the question, what number from 0 to 9 do I multiply by 24 to get 192 or almost 192, but not more? By looking at the multiplication table, you notice that 8 times 24 is 192. So the number we were looking for is 8. I write 8 here. Since 8 times 24 is 192, that's what I put here, and then I subtract. Again, a pretty easy subtraction because 192 minus itself will give us 0 as result. After a subtraction, I bring down the next digit, but there are no visible digits to bring down. So we can say that in this division, the quotient, the whole quotient is 108 that I will put here, and the remainder is 0 that I write here. For instance, if you want to divide 2,592 books equally among 24 schools, each school gets 108 books and there are no books left over. Since the remainder was 0, we can say that this division is exact, and by dividing 2,592 in 24 equal parts, each part is exactly 108. What do you think? Was it easy or hard? I hope you think this is easy. I hope you have in mind that this video was designed to help you. If it did, leave a comment with a smiley face. If you want to keep practicing, I challenge you to divide 19,248 in 24 equal parts. Leave a comment with the answer. I will be happy to see it. That's it for today. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!